Okay, let's take a look at our third example. Here we have a food truck sells salad for $6.50, and a drink for $2. The food truck's revenue from selling a total of two. So if you look at this kind of problems, you're always going to have the total amount and also how much the value or the revenue or whatever the combination amount will be. So here, what are we going to do? We say, well, they do salad, so S will be number of salads sold. And what else? D is equal to number of drinks sold. So how many a food truck revenue from selling a total of 209. So we know that salad plus drink is equal to 209. That's our first equation. And then the salad cost 650. So that means 6.5 S plus 2 times D should be equal to total revenue, which is 836.5. How are you going to solve this? Well, let's look at it from two different angles. So we're going to solve this in two ways. So let's say we want to do, let's do it in two ways. So we're going to do the first one by just plugging. If you're going to plug in, then we will say, well, if the first one is 67, you're going to 77A. So how many salads? So obviously S is salad. So 6.5 times 77 plus 2 times 209 minus 77 should be equal to something. When you plug these numbers in, I want you to play with these numbers and get the answers I'm getting here. I'm getting 764.5, which is not 836, and therefore that is wrong. Now let's go to B. So we do B. So B will be 6.5 times 93 plus 2 times 209 minus 93, and that actually gives you 836.5. So your answer choice will be B. So once you set this up, you can play with this by plugging the numbers, and you should be able to get the answer to be 93. Now let's suppose you are good in algebra and you want to solve algebraically. So if I want to find S, that means I can multiply this equation, the first equation, by 2. Actually, let's multiply by -2 so we can eliminate D, that ring. So we get minus 2S minus 2D is equal to minus, that will be 418, right? And then we're going to keep our 6.5S plus 2D is equal to 836.5. Let's add the two together. We add this together. This gives us 6.5S, sorry, 4.5S. That is 6.5 minus 2S. This becomes 0, and that is equal to. So let's bring our calculator here. So what is, let's do this. So we have, let's see this. So we have 836.5 minus 418. That's 418.5. So just exactly half of that. So now we come back here and say this is now 418.5. So we divide this out by 4.5, divide this out by 4.5. So S is equal to, so let's come back here again, bring our calculator here. We still have this, so now divide this one by 4.5, 93, see? And that is equal to 93. So we come back here and that is equal to 93. So the same thing. So either you solve it algebraically or you solve it by, try and error method, by plugging, you get the same answer.